Living alone feels like freedom, but sometimes it feels too quiet. You wake up to silence, you eat alone, you come home, and there's nobody waiting for you. Some days that silence feels like peace, and the other days it just feels too heavy. If you have ever felt this, you are not alone. There really is something magical about living alone. You can create your own little world, decorate however you want, maybe even eat breakfast at midnight, dance in the kitchen with nobody watching. That independence, it builds you. It teaches you that you are enough on your own. But let's be real, it's not always romantic. There are some evenings you sit down to eat and you realize nobody's going to ask how your day was, nobody's sitting across from you, and suddenly that silence feels louder than usual. That's normal. It's okay to feel both things at once, the love for your freedom and the ache of loneliness. So, how do you make it better? For me, it's the small rituals like putting on music while I cook, even if it's just something simple for myself, calling a friend or my family while I eat so it doesn't feel so quiet, maybe doing my skincare while watching TV. I love letting music play in the background and journaling whatever's on my mind. Sometimes I'll clean a little corner while listening to a podcast or play a workout video on YouTube and just move my body. And other days, I write down a list of things I want to do now or in near future and just start with one. For example, my this YouTube channel. It's these little things that remind me I'm not just passing time but building a life. But there's one thing we can't ignore. As humans, we are wired for connection. You can love solitude, but if you never reach out, that loneliness can slowly turn into depression. That's why balance is everything. Maybe call your family, text a friend, go for coffee, and even if you don't have many people around like me, just step outside, sit in a cafe, join a class, walk through a busy street. Being around others, even strangers, keeps your mind alive. And honestly, living alone can one of be the fastest way to grow. When it's quiet, you start hearing your own thoughts more clearly. You figure out what you want, what you don't, and most importantly, who you are becoming. It forces you to be your own best friend first, and that changes the way you live and the way you love for the rest of your life. So, if you're living alone right now, remember this, it's normal to feel both joy and sadness. Create little rituals that suits you, balance solitude with connection, and trust that this season is shaping you into someone stronger, more independent, and more self-aware. You're not just living alone, you're learning to live with yourself, and that's super powerful.